welcome to Bulgaria. As you probably seen from the title, we are now in Kavarna. This resort is situated in the northern side of Bulgaria, and we are now at the viewpoint where you can see the beaches and the sea. And as you can see, that building, it's our hotel. I will show you later how the room looks like, and most important, the view from there. This is the beach. There are about 3 beaches. They are not very wide, not very big, but it's very quiet. And although today it was very windy, this area was protected, so if in other places in the Black Sea you couldn't go into the water because there were big waves, here it wasn't this problem because all this is protected and it wasn't windy at all.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Near the path, there are some things on the grass. I think they are snails. I'm not sure. They look like they have like the shell of a snail. I never seen this kind of snails on the grass. There are lots of them. Because I know English is not my native language and the accent can be difficult to understand, there is an automated subtitle for this video, so click on the CC on the right side on the right side of the video, and you'll understand it better. You can find me also on Instagram. I post lots of photos and reels, so you can follow me there as well. I'll leave my account here somewhere. Okay, I'll show you how an accommodation of about 74 pounds looks like. So this is the bathroom, and this is the place we're gonna sleep. We have here a kitchen, table, TV, and the most beautiful part, this magnificent terrace with sea view. The beach now, and we're just thinking, the sea is very quiet. I think it's a very nice place for kids. If you have kids, it's safe for them to swim here. There are no waves, and although it's not very big, as you can see this side until there, and then there's one more beach in that side, and I will show you one more beach. This one is a pebble beach, it's no sand. So, and the entrance into the water gets very deep. As you can see, there it's already going down suddenly. So this one is not very good for kids, but I see it quite interesting because there are some houses that look like they are, I don't know, forgotten here. I think it's a very nice place, this one. I don't know, sometimes I think this country is not populated at all. All these houses look like empty. I will show you close up one. one house to see how it's like. It looks like someone is actually living there because there's a dog standing in front of it. I think I would like some photos here. If I have any photos, any good photos, you'll see them on my Instagram. So check them out there. A new day at Kaliakra. Basically, there are a few ruins, like have you seen Roman bath, churches, and nothing else was invested in here. So the place looks like the way it looked since forever. This is sad. The best part of this place is definitely the view. I love the color of Black Sea here. I wonder if there's anything under into the water, like for snorkeling. So wild, this place. I don't know if you can see the butterflies. It's full of very small butterflies. I don't know if we supposed to go down here, but it doesn't say anything that is not allowed, so we try. We'll see. Oops. It's like a bench overlooking to the sea. Of course, there are lots of things here and you can't really enjoy it right now, but I think in the past this area was cleared out of plants and you could see the water, the sea. And we still have some stairs. I wonder if it goes into the water, this one's. And another place. Oh my god, look how many butterflies here. I'm not going any further because the ceiling is cracked. As you can see, there are some stairs going down. I think if you keep going on these stairs you can reach the water, but I think it's too dangerous at the moment, so we don't go any further. massive fig tree here above, and there is a military area. So this place is still used in military purposes. Look at them. I'll make a close-up to see. I never seen so many swallow, I think it's called, if I'm not wrong. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. And here is Kaliakra Museum. And the restaurant with a very nice view as well. Oh, they come inside this one. Oh my god. They have a nest here from Middle Ages. Here. You can press pause and read about this. I guess they are earrings. I'm not sure. It says in Bulgarian. I don't understand. And this is how the Kaliakra fortress looked like in the past. At the moment we are where this cave is. This is the military fortress where it's not allowed to visit, and it's still used by Bulgarian army. And we still have to visit this side here and going down these steps. Unfortunately, the stairs to that beautiful gate they are closed, so we can't go any further from here, but there is a walking path here, so we're going this way. More cave here. This one looks like it's going to collapse in the future. It's very cracked. I think some of it already collapsed. These are the stairs to the other gate, but we can't reach there. And here, I'll take a close up. As you can see, there are some coins. I think sometimes in the past it was a well here and people throwing money in it. But because the cliff is not very stable, it collapsed, I think. We nearly finished our visit at Kaliakra Cape and Fortress. The entrance costs $3.11, and I think the price is fair because the fortress is not very well taken care of. I think they could do way better, but as we know, Bulgaria is like a country in development, so in the future we might see some changes. And if you have the chance to visit this place, you can definitely do it, because I think it's worth it. It's like it has a lot of history behind. And in case you wondered how leva looks like, this is 5 leva. And 50 and 20 Stotinsky. And because there were some shops, in case you didn't know, Bulgaria is known for rose production, and there are some companies that produce creams, perfumes and other things. And I bought as souvenirs one of these and one of this with white rose. One of them I'll give as a present to my mom, and one I'll keep myself. And a toner with rose. I don't know how good they are, but I have to tell you, the smell, it's like heaven. It's so nice. It smells like proper roses. So if you come to Bulgaria, you have to try this. In the last place we're gonna visit today is called Tulenovo. It's like a small village where you can spend some time swimming into the sea. There's not a beach, but you can jump off the cliffs, and or if you want to paddle or kayaking, you can do so. There are some beautiful caves that you can explore. Unfortunately, today is very windy and we can't go into the water because there are very big waves and it's not safe. So we just enjoy the view, and that's all. This was our vlog from northern side of Bulgarian Black Sea. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time in a new adventure. Until then, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.